The if function requires three arguments: the condition, what to do if the condition is true, and what to do if the condition is false. The condition argument in this example is the budget in C4 is equal to 0. Condition arguments must be structured to return true or false, and that usually means that there is a comparison operation, like an equal sign or greater than sign. If the condition argument returns true, the second argument of the if function is returned to the cell. The second argument is 0, meaning that you simply want a 0 displayed if the budget number in cell C4 is a 0. If the condition argument is not 0, the third argument takes effect. In the third argument, you tell Excel to perform the division calculation D4 divided by C4. So this formula basically says that if C4 equals 0, then return a 0, or else return the result of D4 divided by C4.